Hello, I'm going to show how to make a first-person shooter. In part 1, the AI bot follows the player using a behavior tree service. Create a new first-person project with starter content. I'm going to name mine First Person Shooter and create project. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.22.0. Add the animation starter pack to your project. Add the FPS weapon bundle to your project. Search for nav. Drag in a nav mesh bounds volume. Press P. That shows the path in green. Resize to cover the entire floor. Increase the height to the top of the wall. Under Content, add new folder. I'm going to name it First Person Shooter. Under Anim Starter Pack, right-click UE4 ASP_character, duplicate. I'm going to name it AiBotCare. Drag it to the First Person Shooter folder. Move here. Under Content, First Person Shooter, right-click, Blueprint Class, All Classes, search for AI, select AI Controller, select, I'm going to name mine AiBotCNTLR. Add new artificial intelligence behavior tree. I'm going to name mine AiBotBT. Add new artificial intelligence Blackboard. I'm going to name mine AiBotBB. Right-click the behavior tree and edit. Under behavior tree, make sure that your Blackboard is selected. Sometimes it will already be selected. Press Save. Right-click your AiBot controller. Edit. Open full blueprint editor. Drag a pin off of Begin Play. Search for Run BehaviogTree. Under BT Asset, select your behavior tree and compile and save. Right-click the Blackboard, edit. Add new key object. I'm going to name it Player. Under key type, select base class actor and save. Right-click the behavior tree and edit. Select new service. Close this. I'm going to rename the service AiBotGetPlayer. Right-click the behavior tree, edit. Select new task. Close this. I'm going to rename the task AiBotGetPlayer. Right-click AiBotCare, edit. This compiler warning is caused by crouching. We don't use crouching on the AiBot, so you can highlight it and delete it. Change the AI controller to the controller you created, AiBotCNT-LR. Add a variable called health. Change the type to float. Highlight capsule component. Uncheck visible. Compile. Highlight the health variable. Change the default to 100. Compile and save. Right-click the behavior tree, edit. Drag off a sequence. Drag off a task, move to. Drag off the task, wait. Add a service, AiBotGetPlayer. Make sure that player is selected for the service and the player is selected for the move to, and save. Right-click AiBotGetPlayer, edit. Open full blueprint editor. Right-click, search for Event Receive Activation AI. Drag off the pen, search for Set Blackboard Value as Object. Right-click, search for Get Player Controller. Drag return value. Search for Get Controls Pawn. Connect the return value here. Right-click the key, promote to variable. I'm going to name the variable object and make it public. And compile and save. Drag in the AiBot character, press play to test. and the AI bot is following the player, so it's working correctly.